We got sour watermelon. No, I'm gonna pick that, right? Just because it say watermelon. Watermelon. McLaren haven't been profitable. It's been more of an expense. Let me give her some dap. It was nice, man. Starbucks, man. Spinach wrap. $20 for this, man. It's the only way you can eat healthy, but just how Starbucks do it.
Okay.
How they been doing it. People ain't been complaining about them coffees.
That's right.
You could get a $10 jar of Folgers. That's the best to me. Last you 2-3 months. Spend $10 a day. That's $300 a month. You could be riding in the Benzo. C300. You could be riding in C300 or something, man. C250 or something. Nice. Then no, don't want to smoke my bud. I spend $20 a day. That's $600 a month. You could be riding in a nice Benzo. You know how? So I seen a saying yesterday, and I'm gonna live by this. I'm gonna stop saying I'm gonna live. What's up, baby? Yeah, I'm gonna stop saying I'm living every day like it's my last. I live every day like it's a field trip, man. You know, when you was a kid, like you say, like little thing. When you was a kid and you knew you was going on a field trip, you was excited to the mug, right? Got up, no problem. That's how I live every day. I be in my dreams. I'm like, I gotta get up. I gotta go take care of some business, baby. Excited. Y'all, I gotta get up for the day. That's the difference between me and y'all. I'm trying to give you game like your father. Unfortunately, he didn't give you the game, so you're beta. But if you fighting and study Kali muscle, study hyphy whitey, how to be a man, how to dress, how to groom yourself, how to talk to ladies. You know, I give a course of y'all that too. I know a lot of y'all, you know, you don't have the confidence to talk to women. And that's what they're there for, to be talked to. Don't be intimidated, because guess what? They get more out of making love than a man. So it ain't like, So today we're going to warehouse. We got some samples to try. Doing a giveaway of the earbuds. Those that bought work gum. We possibly be getting rid of the McLarens. So this could possibly be our last drive of these beauties. It's just time to move on. 2022 need to bring new stuff, new vehicles, new money. Spin this Fetty Wap. Fetty Wap about to go to the pen. Something that gonna be in there like this. What's up with it? What time? Chow time. What's up with it, guys? So we just did a giveaway of some AirPods, AirBuds, some expensive head stuff you put in when you sync it up with your Apple phone and all that stuff. Any phone, I believe, maybe Apple. But anyway, we did a giveaway on who bought some subs or some merch on the website. So we'll be giving one to Gary Jones and one to Todd Wilcox. Is that right?
I don't think it's Todd. I was hoping you remembered.
Oh, yeah. And the winners of this is Gary Wilcox and Todd Jones. Todd Gary. So here we got Gary Jones and Todd Wilcox. Congratulations, and man, we want to support you guys. You support us. We're doing a giveaway now every month. For if you buy subs and merch on hyphylife.com, you could get flew out, or as they say, flown out or flewed out to California, hang out with me and Hyphy Whitey. Love you guys. Congratulations. Guys, we got some new flavors of Go Wild, the best pump in the world. You know what I mean? So we got new flavors. We got cotton candy. We got sour watermelon, which you know, guys know I'm gonna pick that, right? Just because it say watermelon. Strawberry, Go Wild strawberry, and pina colada. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like a quarter scoop of each and see which one I like, and Hyphy go do the same. So we doing pina colada. Ooh, it smell good. It smell just like pina colada. It's good.
Raw dogging it is the best.
No, well, so the pump, yeah. But I get the full effect off Hyphy bud with water.
What flavor is this?
This is strawberry. Okay. Yeah. Not strawberry.
You don't even like strawberry.
Well, you ain't gonna like it. It tastes the medicine.
Oh.
Yeah. And this is cotton candy. My business partner said watermelon is the best. So we shall see. Here we go. Watermelon. That watermelon. Don't be jealous, big boy. Watermelon for me. Let's see you try.
I want to start with the cotton candy.
Oh, it sucks. They said
It
watermelon.
like it.
Oh, all of them smell like
yeah.
what they say. Just take a little each. I don't want you nauseated and stuff.
Oh, that's good. Kind of crunchy.
So watermelon, real crunchy.
It's like in the back of my teeth.
Yeah, watermelon is.
Good. I wanted to snack with my pump. Watermelon's good.
Well, it's the best.
I think it might, so far, I think I like it better.
Well, yeah, especially when you taste these other ones. What's
Strawberry?
that? Oh yeah, it sucks. That one is okay.
I still like those two the best.
Yeah, we go with watermelon. Yeah, that watermelon. What you got in that box, boy? What you got in that box? I want to see them white people water. Look how Iceland.
This is from Iceland, man.
Oh, get out of here. What's in this box, man?
Oh, we got work gum. I chewed 2 pieces of this in the McLaren down
I chewed
here.
one.
I was on a sick one. And then I noticed you got on a sick one. He was jumping in the whole thing going 120. I'm like, you can have it, bro.
Oh, don't be scared of a little ticket, man. Hyphy mud, baby.
If I can avoid it, you know what I mean?
Say
if I can
what?
avoid a ticket.
Oh, you can avoid it.
Yeah, there you go. Go wild.
Go wild,
I was already driving
baby.
crazy last night, bro.
Oh,
Bro.
oh, last night.
I'm going 120 in
at
residential.
night?
Yes.
In the dark?
Yes.
Ooh-wee.
Hyphy test.
I don't even know what it's like to drive at night.
Like, you gotta, like, I'm like, you just, like, that's why I said the car's dangerous for me, bro. I'm like,
oh, yeah.
Like, that's too dangerous.
Yeah, well, you know.
Hyphy brain.
That's that stuff. I've been gaming a lot with that. We go get some new ambassadors, too, gamers.
Oh, Hyphy test.
Yeah.
All this stuff's good, man.
We got to get on the hunt for some good fitness. Well, gamers, number one.
Yeah.
And then fitness people. So if you are up and coming fitness person, gamer, what else is there out there? Skater, golfer, anybody that want to be part of Hyphy life, man, let us know.
Skit people that do skits.
Oh yeah,
you know what I mean?
Do skits. Yeah. Review people want to review the supplements. We got the gum, the subs, the hot sauce. You get some sales, you get a nice little percentage, extra income till you blow up. Then you start your own stuff. You know what I mean? That's the game, baby. You know what I'm saying? This is the hot sauce right here. Ooh, a Monte, baby. Let's take him to see some, Hyphy.
All right, let's do it.
That's big boy stuff, you know what I'm saying? Be a big boy, stay troll each other. So y'all, that's just how friends do. Like me and Hyphy Whitey, all day we troll each other. So I know y'all ain't never had no friends, you know, you're a nerd in the basement. Mama, what? Baby Roo. Yeah, that's a Monte. She beautiful, bro. Beautiful. If I was, well, she my little side thing. Don't tell my girl. You know, I'm about to go and possibly sell the McLaren, man. This is the last drive, and I wanted y'all to take it with me, all right? So here go the startup. That's Hyphy Whitey over there. There it go. Euro cars where we bought the cars. It was fun while it lasted, man. It just at this point in my life, if something is not profitable, I don't need it. You know what I mean? So the McLaren haven't been profitable. It's been more of an expense than an asset. It's been a liability, not an asset. Everything served its purpose. We got in the car game with the Hellcats. Once that became a problem, we got rid of it. Cars we have now, I had a Z01, the Trackhawk, the Benz, the Escalade. I was up to 7 cars, and I must say, it's stressful. Just insurance alone is more than somebody would pay for 2-3 cars. Well, 3, 4, 5 cars. I'm in California, so the insurance is more. Oh, here we go, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's crazy. It's crazy, baby. You know, I talk crap about Gentani or whatever. They did a heck of a job on the downpipe. It's a hell of a machine, man. Next supercar I get is probably a Lambo Performante within the next year or so. We got some more business ventures we looking into, and we still gonna be in it. I'm gonna be modding a Camaro. Trackhawk, I'm gonna rewrap it. I saw, man, I give kudos to like people like CGM32. Got about 20 cars, bro. Like 7, I was tapped out, man. I was tapped out, man. I give him kudos, man. A hustler, and just was an example. And he was kind of the, you know, first one to start doing the car stuff like he do. Of course, CJ's so cool than him. Man, I can't keep up with that, man. That's his niche. And go for a ride, baby. Thing about supercars, the attention is weird, man. It's more of a jealousy type of tension that I don't like. Attention is not good. Like in the Camaro, I get the most love and attention and admiration. But in the supercar, you gotta think, ordinary people, like, you know, many of y'all watching and look at somebody in a supercar as bougie or think they all that. Over here now to Euro car, and we gonna see what it do, baby. Let's see what we got the boy. Oh yeah, hopefully the last drive in the McLaren, baby. See you in a minute. What's up, guys? We at Euro car. We might be the last drive in those beauties over there. It was fun, but you know, you're just my side thing, girl. I told you it was only gonna last for a little while, a few months. You know what I'm saying? It's been longer than I expected. By what, 6, 7, 8 months?
Yeah.
That was a good relationship.
Great relationship.
By Hollywood standards, that was a long time.
Oh, that was a, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yep. I mean, I feel like if you're in the car market.
Right,
Like if you're in these cars, then you ain't worried about it.
Wing I got. Bad milker, boy. Yo. Money green.
It's got some purple interior accents.
This is something special right here, boy.
Yeah.
Big TV monitor right there.
That looks comfortable.
Wow.
You definitely need a chauffeur for this.
Need a chauffeur for the family.
I like the way you think.
I want that option. Hard top or drop top. That's it, man. I didn't even have a name for it. That goes to show you I wasn't tripping on her. Did I have a name for her, Heavyweight?
I don't think so.
Didn't even have a name for it, man. Bye-bye. Let's see. Let me give her some dap. It was nice, man. She was a liability. You know what I mean? I need assets. And this swole pimping, always tripping. This probably go to the top like skyrocket. I tell her, hold it, get on like your donkey gone. Whoa, she out of there. It was nice. You a beauty. But I'll get an upgraded one of you. Yeah, so we sold it, man. That's it. Like I say, I don't even be having feelings with these cars. Y'all see that I sold the GT500 to them, and it served its purpose. You know what I mean? It's time to move forward for the future, and I'm excited to see what the future brings. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah!
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle, and if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.